If you've ever wanted to learn how to drive a stick shift, but have been too intimidated to do so in the past, I've got you covered. With my accelerated learning principles and simple explanations, driving a stick shift will be a breeze. Unfortunately, most instructors don't know what it's like to be a beginner. They try to tell you all this complicated stuff and expect you to perform it without knowing the concept first. We designed this course with beginners in mind, so that's the last thing you're going to have to worry about. If you don't have a stick shift car or don't know someone with a stick shift car, don't panic. We're going to be going over great ways to get your hands on stick shift cars to use for practice. In this course, we're going to be going over how to pull off without stalling. That's right, never stall again. How and when to shift, downshifting, how to avoid rolling on a hill, and last but not least, how to do it all smooth and consistently.